Good morning everybody. Today I will explain you from page number 35. So please open your book while seeing this video. So first I will read and then I explain to you. The questions we asked Scott over the next few months, जो हमने कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे अगले महीनों में स्कॉट से, were chosen into two goals in mind. In part, we try to help him as best we could. हम सबसे पहले हमारी कोशिश ये थी कि हम उसको बेस्ट बना सकें उसकी सारी चीज़ों को by asking questions that might improve his quality of life. और शायद क्वेश्चन पूछने से उसकी जो क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ है वो भी इम्प्रूव हो सकेगी. We asked him whether he liked watching ice hockey or on TV prior to his accident. हमने उससे पूछा कि क्या उसको आई हॉकी देखना पसंद है टीवी पर. Scott had been a hockey fan क्योंकि वो एक हॉकी फैन था and his family and cares would tune his TV to a hockey game as often as they could. But more than a decade had passed since Scott's accident. But उसके कुछ एक्सीडेंट से पहले ही उन्होंने वो देखना बंद कर दिया था. The second type of question, तो दूसरी तरह के क्वेश्चन से we asked Scott were chosen to reveal as much as possible about his situation, कि वो अपनी सिचुएशन के बारे में जितनी से ज़्यादा चीज़ें हो सके उसको रिवील करे. What he knew, how much he remembered and what sort of awareness he had. These questions were less about Scott, the person, and more about helping us to dig deeper into the grey zone ताकि वो डीपली अपनी सारी चीज़ों को बता सके. Understanding what situation were psychological possible in this limbo was incredibly important. और इसमें सिचुएशन में ये चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी थी कि वो डीपली हर एक चीज़ हमें बताए. Because no one knew the answer yet, क्योंकि किसी को भी उसके आंसर्स नहीं पता थे. And it's turned out many people had made wildly enormous assumptions. Assumption मतलब होता है अंदाज़ा लगाना कि हाँ हो सकता है कि ऐसा हुआ, but exactly किसी को भी नहीं पता है. For example, after lecturing about patient in grey zone, जैसे ही लेक्चर कंप्लीट होता है ग्रे जोन में पेशेंट के लिए, आई हैड ऑफन हर्ड कमेंट सच एज, मैंने कुछ ऐसे कमेंट सुने, आई डाउट दैट दे हैव एनी सेंस ऑफ पासेज ऑफ टाइम, कि शायद ही कोई सेंस होगी जिसने वो काम किया होगा. दे प्रोबेबली डोंट रिमेंबर एनीथिंग अबाउट देयर एक्सीडेंट. उनको कुछ भी याद नहीं रहता है उनके एक्सीडेंट के बारे में अगर कोई पर्सन स्पेसिफिक पर्सन कोमा में जाता है तो. और इवन आई डाउट दे हैव एनी अवेयरनेस ऑफ द प्रेडिक्टमेंट दे आर इन. Scott told us otherwise. Scott ने हमें फिर भी बताया, he answered all those questions and more. When we asked him what year it was, कि हमने उससे पूछा कि तुम्हारा जब एक्सीडेंट हुआ था कौन सा ईयर था. He told us correctly that it was 2012. उसने सही बताया कि 2012 था, not 1999. The year of his accident. Clearly had a good sense of passage of time. Obviously उसकी जो सेंस थी बहुत अच्छे से काम कर रही थी. You knew that he was in hospital and that his name was Scott. He had a good sense of who he was and where he was. जैसा कि वो was also able to tell us the name of his primary cardiologist. This was important to us and to our understanding of grey zone science. ये हमारे लिए और हमारी grey zone science के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी बात थी. Because one question that has frequently come up was what patients in that situation could remember. कि शायद ही कुछ लोगों को उस सिचुएशन के बारे में कुछ याद रहता है जो कि ड्यूरिंग द एक्सीडेंट उनके साथ हुआ है. Scott would not have known his cardiologist prior to his accident. वो किसी को नहीं जानता था. So his knowing her name was a clear evidence कि वो अपने नाम को जानता था, that he was still able to lay down memories. In September 2013, Scott died of medical complication for his original accident. Scott की डेथ हो गई 2013 में क्योंकि उसके मेडिकल इश्यूज़ की वजह से. This is an all too common outcome even many years after a serious brain injury. जो भी वो इंजरी हुई है उसके बाद. All that lying around and exposure to our army of viruses, bacteria and fungi that populate every hospital ward, deaden the immune system and make you highly susceptible to conditions such as phenomenon, जो कि उस कंडीशन से निकलने के लिए बाहर हेल्प करते हैं. आफ्टर सेवरल वीक्स फाइटिंग इन्फेक्शन, बहुत हफ्तों के बाद जैसे वो इन्फेक्शन से लड़ रहा था, स्कॉट डाइड एट पार्कवुड. स्कॉट की डेथ हो जाती है पार्कवुड में. द वेक वॉज पैक्ड. स्कॉट्स बॉडी ले इन ओपन कफिन. कफिन होता है जिसमें कि डेड बॉडी को रखते हैं आफ्टर डेथ, उसे बोलते हैं कफिन. टूवर्ड्स द बैक ऑफ द रूम फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली हैड कम फॉर नियर एंड फार. उसके जो फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स रिलेटिव्स थे दूर पास सब जगह से आने लगे. डिस्पाइट हिज 14 years ऑफ बीइंग मोस्टली इनसाइड हिम, जो कि 14 years का उसका टाइम था, एंड कट ऑफ फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड at the time that Scott died. जब स्कॉट की डेथ हुई, many people still felt a profound connection with him. उसके साथ बहुत ही इमोशनल कनेक्शन बन चुका था हर किसी का. when I saw Scott's body, जब मैंने स्कॉट की बॉडी देखी, आई हैड सच एन ऑड रिस्पॉन्स. मेरा जो रिस्पॉन्स है वो बिल्कुल अलग था. In many ways, he looked as he has always looked to me. I hadn't known the real Scott. मैं असली Scott को जानते ही नहीं. Scott who had lived in a full and happy life, who walked and talked and laughed and moved purposefully throughout the world until the age of 26, जो कि हंसता खेलता रहता था, इधर से उधर भागता रहता था. When all that was suddenly, जब अचानक से permanently taken off, I had only known that Scott, the physically non-responding Scott. He physically वो respond नहीं कर रहा है. The Scott lying in front of me, it occurred to me right then that this grey zone, this place, this is home for many of our patients. Truly is the borderline between life and death. जो ये borderline होती है हमारी life और death के बीच में, it's so close to death that sometimes it hurt to tell the difference. Scott was still there in the way that he had always been for me, जो कि मेरे लिए हमेशा था, even though now he was not there at all, जो कि अब इस दुनिया में नहीं है. On Scott's obituary web page I wrote, जो उसका जो web relationship that we developed with Scott and his family, जो Scott और उसकी family में relationship was unlike and any other that my term has experienced before or since. In part, it was Annie and Jim's other warmth and openness in sharing their world and bringing us into their lives. जो Anna और Jim थे, वो उसकी life के बहुत अच्छे part था उसकी life का. But more than that, Scott himself created and sealed our bond. To communicate for the first time with another human being who has been unable to communicate, जो कि communicate नहीं कर सकता है for more than a decade, is an extraordinary experience. To do it again and again is magical. Scott let us into his world and we laughed with him, joked with him and cried with him. हम हंसते थे, खेलते थे, हंसी मजाक करते थे, रोते थे एक साथ. When that door was shut and Scott was finally gone, जैसे वो दरवाज़ा बंद हुआ and Scott was finally gone, जैसे उसकी डेथ हुई, I think a little part of all of us died with him. शायद कहीं ना कहीं उस दिन काफ़ी हद तक हमारी बेटा उसके साथ हो चुकी थी, Scott के साथ, because everybody was very 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 emotional connected with Scott during that period, during that accident and coma. जो भी उसकी जो स्टेज थी उसमें हर कोई से बहुत कनेक्ट हो चुकी थी, उसकी फैमिली, उसके फ्रेंड्स, डॉक्टर्स, इवन nurses, everyone. So students, please, actually this is a very very lengthy chapter, so please read it again for better understanding. So now I will explain you. Select the correct verb in the given sentences given below. आपको टू ऑप्शन दिए, आपको करेक्ट वर्ब सर्च करके आप उसको अंडरलाइन करना, सर्कल करना है. द क्लास डिस्क्राइब्स या डिस्क्राइब देयर एक्सपीरियंस एट द कैंप. यू विल राइट डिस्क्राइब. The whole class meet या meets the principal of the school, that is meets. The family take या फिर takes a long time to dress up. The cricket club is working or are working on new strategies, is working. The swarm of reporters surround या फिर surround the famous actor all the ones. The audience was cheering. Were आएगा because audience, many people in the audience, so we will write were. Were is a plural word. The singer. The orchestra is playing या are playing, is playing my favorite music. The drop disappears या disappear in direct direction, that is disappears. The term is or are putting on their helmet, are because the team are putting on their helmets. The stage new has done a fabulous job. The orchestra was turning up one by one. The orchestra were tuning up one by one. For weeks the cast were rehearsing their lines with one another, that is were because plural बात हो रही है, so we will write here were. So here is the next question. Listen carefully, rearrange the sentence according to the correct procedure in the newspaper. So there are 8 sentences which you have to put according to the numbering. That is, first sentence is correspond, collect information, and second is this. So you have to complete and read it this page, and please also read this chapter carefully. Thank you. Have a nice day.